Now we move forward. A 79-kilometer long cycle Tiranga rally is being organized by the BSF from the Bandipora to Srinagar ahead of the Independence Day celebrations. Meanwhile, in the national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and Ashish Sood have flagged off the Tiranga cyclothon for the girls from Vidhan Sabha to Rajghat to be conducted. Now, that's a 79-kilometer long Tiranga rally that has been organized by the Border Security Force from Bandipora to Srinagar is what we are learning. Ahead of the Independence Day celebration, the 79-kilometer long Tiranga Yatra will be conducted by the BSF. All right, the Border Security Force organizes 79-kilometer long Tiranga Yatra from Bandipora to Srinagar, while in the national capital as well, girls are marching to Rajghat. The Tiranga Yatra was also launched earlier by the BJP to mark the Operation Sindoor success years. As now, ahead of the Independence Day celebration, this will be organized. This is being organized for the BSF Jawans to participate in the cycle rally. Aditya Vadhavan, my colleague, joins me for more details. Now, BSF, Aditya, has announced 79-kilometer Pedal for Unity rally, and it is going to host this Tiranga Yatra from Bandipora to Srinagar ahead of the Independence Day celebrations. What more details are you able to pick in this? All right, it's time to move on to other developments as we in fact
सूत्र में बांधते हैं। हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस, हमारा गणतंत्र दिवस, अनेक ऐसे त्यौहार जो देश भर में मनाए जाते हैं और उसी के क्रम में ये तिरंगा भी एक ऐसी ताकत है जो हम सबको एकता के सूत्र में बांधता है और तिरंगे को देखने मात्र से लोगों के मन में, रगों में खून बह के प्रवाह की गति तेज हो जाती है। तिरंगा हमें स्मरण कराता है उन लाखों लाखों बलिदानियों का जिन्होंने देश की रक्षा के लिए, देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपने आप को समर्पित किया। उन हज़ारों बलिदानियों की जिन्होंने देश की सीमा की रक्षार्थ अपने आप को इस माँ भारती की बलिवेदी पर समर्पित कर दिया। ऐसे हज़ारों लोगों को जिन्होंने इस देश का सम्मान मान दुनिया भर में बढ़ाया। तिरंगा भारत के उस हर एक किसान की मेहनत का प्रतीक है। तिरंगा हर उस जवान की आकांक्षा का प्रतीक है। और एक ऐसे समय में जब भारत आज़ादी के अमृत काल में प्रवेश करके विकसित होने की दिशा में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में 140 करोड़ लोगों के विश्वास और संकल्प के साथ में आगे बढ़ रहा है, तब देश का प्रत्येक व्यक्ति अपने घर पर तिरंगा फहरा करके अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस करे। इस लक्ष्य के साथ में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के मार्गदर्शन में 4 साल पहले ये यात्रा प्रारंभ हुई थी। अब की
All right, my colleague Aditya joins me and shares more detail of this BSF Yatra of Tiranga that has been organized for 79 kilometers to be conducted from Bandipora to Srinagar as well. And in fact, it is ahead of the Independence Day. Remember, the BJP had also flagged off the Tiranga Yatra after the Operation Sindoor success. Aditya.
Simran, we are just standing at the Bharat Mandapam where this Bharat Tiranga Yatra is about to begin. Stand across and show the visuals. There are people also now, common people also joining this Bharat Tiranga Yatra, Har Ghar Tiranga Yatra, and there are a sea of all the paramilitary BSF personnel, Shastra Seema Bal personnel also, NSG commandos standing here waiting to start this Har Ghar Tiranga Yatra. there is an immense wave of enthusiasm among people that so people are so excited that that India will be celebrating its 79th Independence Day, and we can see the is also there at this Har Ghar Tiranga rally, holding the tricolor. So at this juncture, everybody is holding the tricolor, and it is a moment of pride for every Indian that this Har Ghar Tiranga Yatra will happen, and this will definitely give a very subtle, a message of unity to the people of India. Yes, Simran.